In this video clip, we will look at the English language and the mathematical expressions. Here, the first example is the product of 8 and a number. Product means multiplication mathematically. And then we have 8 and a number. A number, if we do not know, we use x to represent that. So here means 8 times the number. So that would be this one. 8 goes first, and then the number goes second. Mathematically, we also call 8 is the coefficient, and x is the variable. Between the coefficient, which is the actual concrete number, and the variable, if it's multiplication, we then do not write anything in between 8 and x. Now, second one. The quotient of 15 and a number. Quotient means division. And 15 goes first, so you want to put 15 as a numerator or dividend. And this number x is used as a divisor or denominator. Anytime, if you get lost, you see their examples right here. Dividend upstairs, downstairs is divisor. Numerator is upstairs, downstairs is denominator. So that's the, again, 15 goes first, 15 upstairs. If it were a number and 15, then here would be opposite. All right. Now, keep going. Here we have a 4 more than 8 times a number. What is that number? That number is 4 more than 8 times a number. So if we do not know this number, we may use question mark. That's 4 more than 8 times a number. 8 times a number, you may write 8 times x. So this number, question mark, is more than, means what? Greater than 8x. And then this number is greater than 8x, 4 more than 8 times a number. So if you add 4, it's going to make 8x plus 4 equal this number. So then the correct choice will be the one right here, 8x plus 4. All right. Now, look at this one. This one is the difference of a number and 65. Difference means subtraction. The number goes first, and the 65 goes secondly. And then we use x minus 65. If it were 65 goes first, then the number, then it would be this one. So be careful. We should choose this one because English wording is in this way. Number goes first, so you put number here. Now, look at this one. As 53 less than a number. Here, previously, we have is 4 more than 8 times a number. And now here is 53 less than a number. So we do not know this number, but we do know is 53 less than a number. So if we ignore 53, we know this number is less than x if we use x to represent this number. And then 53 less than. So if this number subtract 53, it would be equal to the number we expected. And then in this case, the expression is x minus 53. So we should choose this number. You may rewind the tape and see my explanation. So the correct choice is x minus 53. That's the meaning for 53 less than a number, which is different from what? From here. The difference of a number and a 65 is x minus 65. But down here is 53 less than a number. This number goes first, and then minus 53. Want to know those differences, how the English is wording. That's important. Okay, this one is straightforward. 6 is greater than or equal to 4. Then, of course, is this one. 60 is greater than 4. That's no problem. But here you have an equal to, so you then add this one. Okay, like an equal sign. But it's not really the equal sign. Greater than or equal to. Apparently 6 is greater than not equal to 4. But you know, sometimes there are cases like this number 4 is not, we do not really write 4. We may say 6 is greater than or equal to a number. Then here would be what? X. So here we want to translate this English sentence into mathematical expression in this way. This one is straightforward as well. 13 is less than or equal to. So 13 is less than or equal to 17. Now, here a number minus 5 equals 5. So then we know x represent this number minus 5. So that would be x minus 5 equals 5. Is that possible? Of course. X is 10, right? 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay. All right. Now, let's look at the last one. 5 times a number equals 8 less than 6 times the number. 5 times a number we know, that's left-hand side. So here is this one. 5 times a number equals, you see, equals what? Equals 8 less than 6 times the number. Okay, so then here we know is like this. 53 less than a number. So you write x minus 53. And here is 8 less than this whole thing. This whole thing is 6 times the number. So 6 times the number you write in this way. And then 8 less than the whole thing. So you write 6x minus 8. Like this one, 53 less than a number is this number minus 53. So here 8 less than this number, that will be what? That will be 6 times x, this number, and then subtract 8. So equals 6 minus 8 equals corresponding to this one. That will be 5x equals 6x minus 8. That would be this choice. Okay? Please review this lecture. I'll see you next time.